Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unzip a zipped file, a folder in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you're facing any issues or don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. This right here is the interface. Once you've logged in, you can view this. Now let's simply look at how to unzip a file, a folder in Dropbox. Well, this right here is a zipped file that I had previously uploaded, and the fun fact about Dropbox is that it enables you to simply unzip a folder from right here. This right here is a zipped file, and at the top right, I'm simply gonna click on it, that's more options. And as you can see, some options have opened up, and right here you can see something like extract all. Click on this button right now, and as you can see, the files are being extracted. Right here as you can see, the files have been extracted, and guys, this is it. This is how you extract or unzip a file or folder in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.